Lego the Ninjago movie set. So guys, I will be doing a unboxing and time lapse of this very cool set. So yeah, I got it for Christmas. It does have a bit of stuff going on here on the box. I don't know, that was just price tags box. It's a little bit damaged here, but that's all good. It's a pretty cool looking set. So yeah, let's get into the video. So first things first, we've got to unbox it. So pretty simple stuff. Get a knife in there, cut that tape. Here's the satisfying part, which I like about Lego sets, just pouring out all the pieces. Just very satisfying. Oh, sorry, you could not see that, but it's all there. That's glory. And so it looks like it comes with a decent amount of parts. Get your instructions with your sticker sheet. Quite a few different packets right there. Looks like this set even comes with a brick separator right in there, so pretty cool. I haven't got many of those. Got like 2 or 3. Yeah. So let's start building. So that, guys, puts an end to this video. It took me about 2 hours to build this beast, but you know, I got there. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, thoughts down below, and I'll catch you later. Bye.